Hi, good time of the day to you. Start with finding a comfortable position. It could be sitting against the wall, or you can just lay down somewhere you won't be bothered. Let's begin with closing your eyes and just keep them closed throughout this meditation. Relax your body and don't forget to keep a mild focus between your eyebrows. Take a deep breath through your nose, feeling your body becoming bigger and bigger. And then just exhale through your mouth with double exhalation, like so. Do it two more times on your own time. Come back to normal breathing and just continue inhaling and exhaling slowly through your nose. And now, let's go together through one of the relaxation techniques. Relax your feet, your calves, your thighs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your fingers, your neck, your mouth, your cheeks, your eyes. Feel all your muscles soften. Allow yourself to be here in this moment, free of any movements and thoughts. If you notice any thoughts come into your mind throughout the meditation, just say mentally, I hear you, and gently bring back your mind to breathing. If you notice body discomfort, just say mentally, I feel you. And instead of moving your body, try to focus your mind back on breathing. And as you sit there, slowly start to notice what is happening around you. Maybe it's a sound, maybe it's a feeling of the wind on your skin, maybe it's a certain smell, could be a temperature. Just become familiar with space around you. Recognize each sound. And now, start to notice any obvious tension in your body. Just locate it with your mind. Don't do anything specific to it. Just be there, feel it. Allowing any tension, heaviness, tiredness to come to the surface. Now, bring your attention to the breath. Feel the temperature of your inhale. Now your exhale. Feel the differences in each breath. One can be longer, another one can be shorter. Don't try to change it. Just notice the difference. If your mind starts wandering, gently bring back to breathing, with which exhalation go deeper in a state of relaxation. Each time, feel your body more relaxed than before. Notice your mind becoming calmer and calmer. And with each inhalation, bring to your mind the happiest moments of your life. Maybe it's a meeting your significant other, or your first kiss, or it could be a birth of a child. Maybe it's moving to a new home. It could be some crazy party you attended in the past. Just feel happiness around you. And in your own time, slowly bring back your awareness to where you are. Try to remind yourself with closed eyes, position of every object as you remember it before closing your eyes. Now, let's take a few deep breaths together, feeling your body expand. Hold that breath for a second and exhale everything out. And when you're ready, gently, very gently, open your eyes. Try to be aware of how you feel right now, so you can keep this feeling with you all the time.